Hey everybody, happy Sunday evening to you. It's well, right now it's about 6 o'clock. We're almost up here to Cherokee, but we're in hot pursuit of a driver tonight up at the Kansas crossing. It really took about 24 minutes to get out the door tonight. Had to change and all that, and then I had to give cooking instructions on to Tammy because I had almost like literally just lit the grill for some 0 to 400 buffalo wings tonight. They will be good when I get home, so hopefully Tammy followed along. But I'm excited about this young man right here, that guy. Trustin is his real name, and we have got to be actively shopping for names because that's a whole lot to remember. We've had many suggestions already. He's been on Snapchat. We've got Bigfoot was one, Thor is one. That's one of my favorites. His favorite is Light Skin Boy. That's his words, not mine. But we got to find him a name. It's got to be top priority. We just can't have him run around just with a name like Trustin. So put in the comments what we need to call him, and we're going to be rocking and rolling, headed up to the Kansas casino, and we'll see y'all in a minute. Good. Bottom, opposite. First, well, he ran the gun. There you go. Now go back to your beginning ugga-dugga. The first one you hit. Now running a star pattern until complete. Same amount of ugga-dugga. Perfect. Alright, so we're on our way back home. The driver of the truck, super chill, man. That company was super easy to work with. I did have to put a tire on. I was not comfortable putting air in it. This is this man's very first job. It would be 1 in 100 that it could blow up. It did appear to be like it had ran flat to me. It had all the hallmarks. I couldn't find any, like, there's a zipper, you know, I couldn't find it. But I'm just going to go that my intuition did not, it said don't do it. I just couldn't, like, either for me. I was just making sure we turned our tater lights off. I did turn my taters on when I was up there, and I can explain more about that. But what if that tire blew up? You never ever want to blow up at anybody's face, ever. But if that is your very first time ever putting air in a big truck and it blows up on you, would you ever come back to the industry and put another tire in? Not very good odds. And I wasn't going to put that man in the hospital or get hurt on his first day. Not going to do it. I wasn't going to do it. I called the customer. I explained where I was at, and I said, you know, for this many dollars, you know, we'll put a tire in the valve stem in. And he goes, oh yeah. And I wasn't there to gouge him. It's just I wanted to make sure my guy was safe and I was safe, so we could all go home. Thor, or light skinned guy, what was the other names we had for you? Bigfoot. He does look kind of like that, doesn't he, right there? Anyway, first time ever changing a truck tire. Would you say you learned anything?
I learned a lot.
You learned a lot. I would agree. I tried to do my best teaching, though it's the first time ever changing. You know, what do you recall? Just like, oh my God, it's a lot. I remember my first one, and it was like, golly. But I bet he remembers a lot, and he'll be throwing them on like the YouTube boys, and just throwing them on like with his impact like the NASCAR boys. It's coming his way. He did really good tonight. I just wasn't able to record a lot. It was hard to narrate. They go step by step and record this, so it is what it is. But we got another one in the books. Super grateful for that company. They can call anytime, and hopefully I've earned their respect and they'll call back. So with that, we'll see you on the next roll. Come on. Well, I think Tammy did a nice job. That's the barbecue, and that's more of a traditional one, but they got the right look and right everything. Good job, Tammy Jo.